welcome to Essential Cooking, where we help you make those difficult recipes just a little less complicated. I'm Rainey.
And I'm Melissa, and today we're going to show you how to make something delicious. Alright guys, for this recipe you're going to need 6 chicken breasts, 1 cup of milk, 3 cups crushed corn flakes, a cup to a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese, 2 packs of ranch, the dry ranch mix, and a couple tablespoons of butter for right before you put it in the oven, and obviously a pan to put it in the oven with.
Proceed to turn the oven to 375. Preheat please. Thank you very much.
Alright, so now you're going to mix these dry ingredients before we start. You're going to take your cup or cup and a half of Parmesan, if you like Parmesan, and put that in with your cornflakes. You're going to add your 2 packs of ranch. And if you're only doing 3 chicken breasts, then you can use 1 pack of ranch and half a cup to 3/4 of the Parmesan and about 1.5 to 2 cups of the crushed cornflakes. Okay, so we're going to take our chicken, dip it in the milk, and then grab a handful, stick the chicken in there, dunk it on top. Dunk it on top. Toss it into your chicken so it's got all that stuff in there. And then lay it on your pan. After you've coated all your chicken, usually it's going to be kind of thin on the top and whatnot. So what I do is take some of this extra, because there is always extra, and just sprinkle it on top. And if you want, you could put foil on your pan, that way you don't have to clean up so much of a mess. Because it's a bit messy, but in the end, it's really good. Okay, so I just melted a couple tablespoons of butter, and you're just going to drizzle it on the top of the chicken. Not very well, apparently. Okay, so after you drizzle the butter on top, we're going to stick it in the oven. And remember, your oven's at 375. And we're going to cook it for about 30 to 45 minutes. And if you need to, you can cut into a piece to see if it's done in the middle. Okay, so we've been baking this for 45 minutes because our pieces were rather thick. And we're going to pull these out of the oven. Look how golden and crispy those are. Okay, so here's our finished product. We wanted to make it look a little pretty, so we added some salad to the side of it.